First train in Medway, Union Pacific. Got this air horn. I'm gonna blow it, see if it can give me a horn show. Can't believe that actually worked. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. That's actually hilarious. Got this air horn right here from Walmart, and I wanted to test it out because I keep seeing these like YouTube videos of other rail fans from like other states, and they have the air horn or a train horn on their car, and they blow it on the for the train. And I wanted to try it, but I didn't think it would actually work. That's great. I didn't think that would actually work. That is great. That's great. I cannot believe that worked. That's great. That is awesome. That's awesome. That has got to be the coolest thing I've ever done. Wow. I didn't think it would work. Like, I know it worked in the YouTube videos, but I didn't think it would actually work in person. But as it turns out, it did. That's amazing. That right there, that was pure, to me, that is pure comedy. Oh man. He had 2 Union Pacifics and 2 Norfolk Southerns, in case y'all are wondering. The Union Pacific Manifest coming off the Huey P. Long Bridge here in Medway, Louisiana at Central Avenue. Woo! I did not think that air horn would actually work. Wow! Hey, at least I know it works. That was awesome. That was awesome. That was awesome. I can't get over that. That is too funny for me to get over. That is too hilarious. Interesting graffiti there. But that right there to me is just pure comedy. I did not think that would actually work. Like I said earlier, I've seen and I watched multiple YouTubers of people having air horns like the one I have, or just really like a train horn on their car, and they honk that horn, and they all the time the engines, the trains, they would always blow the horn back. So, and I wanted to try it. Like, I wanted to, as I kept watching, and I keep watching the same YouTube videos, I've always wondered, like, I wonder if I can go to the store, buy an air horn, and bring it with me today to go see trains to see if it would actually work. I didn't think it would work, but I guess I was wrong. Hey, I'll admit it. He kind of hit it though when I was blowing the air horn in the beginning of the video. He kind of hit it. And sorry if the camera is like shaking a little bit. It's just that the air horn is loud. I'm not used to it. So every time I blow it, it kind of scares me. So sorry if the camera is a little bit shaky. Sorry if the video is a little bit shaky. We got some Norfolk Southern steel coils and a Norfolk Southern gondola. Also got 2 Auto-X coming up. I did not think. Hold up. Oh, jeez. Sorry for all the camera movement. It's just kind of difficult to hold my phone, because I'm recording with my phone. Kind of difficult to hold my phone in one hand and the air horn in the other. There's the 2 Auto-X, Hourglass, and the BNSF Auto-X. Also, if you hear me clear my throat a little in some of the videos, I apologize for that. I've actually been having like a little cold, so I apologize for that as well. Ooh, I need to switch arms. Woo! My phone that I'm using to hold my arm that I'm using to hold my phone with is starting to get sore. I'm holding it so much. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit so y'all can see the train better. Another NS gondola. At least I think that was another one. I think the end is coming up soon. It's a pretty decent sized train, I'll tell you that. I'd say at the most, maybe at least, maybe about 100, maybe 15, 120 train cars. And he's starting to move now. He's booking it. I see the end. Hey, we got a Rail King. Oh, double. Oh, wow. Triple Rail King in a row. Triple Rail Kings in a row. And there's the end down there. You can see that I still got the air horn in my hand. Another Rail King. Another Rail King coming up right here. And sorry for the little hole in the way. There goes the end of train number 1 of today in Metairie, with a little horn show from my little air horn, because I blew it for the train to see if he'd give me a horn show, see if he tried to blow back. Turns out it worked. Hope y'all enjoy. First train today in Metairie, Union Pacific. Woo!